had a look at the shots and the crosses and the corners, and everything indicates you should at least get a draw from the game other than score. That's the most important thing. So it's just disappointing, and it's, you got to recover well now and pick ourselves